Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 GMC Canyon Denali. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome grille adds a sharp feel on the front end. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels, wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout. No rips or stains on any of the seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. Looking at the bed, there's a spray-in Denali bed liner, and then you have the soft cover on top. Between the two, that's going to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Canyon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.